Well, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back, and that is Dr. Clayton Erb over on the organ this afternoon. The psalmist speaks in wondrous ways of God's creation. Psalm 8, for example, says, "O Lord, our Lord, how majestic is your name in all the earth." Psalm 19 begins, "The heavens declare the glory of God." And we're going to sing a hymn version of the Psalms right now. Help us encourage everyone back in by turning to number 59, and let's loudly sing, "I sing the mighty power of God." And let's stand as we do that. Number 59. Thank you. You may be seated.